How'd you like my tatties? I'm Jason from Jason Bakery. These are my ultimate duck fat roast potatoes. The best potato for this is a big ass floury potato. Floury potatoes because we want that fluffiness, so we want a nice soft texture on the inside, but we want a nice crispy outside, and that's what the duck fat's going to give us, is that deep savory flavor, but also it's got a higher cooking point. Because we're all about zero waste, you could put these in a bread. You could also fry them just gently. If you cut it with a knife, you'll probably have a little bit more flesh on them, and then you could do some nice deep fried skins and do a little sour cream and a little guac or something like that. Nice size quarters. If you cut them too small, you're not going to get that beautiful contrast of texture. So you want enough body to have that super soft, fluffy interior with the crispy outside. You can also do this over a two-day period, where you can do your potatoes beforehand. Just put them in water and keep them in the fridge overnight. Do not do a continuous rinse though, so just do that once, because you don't want to lose all the starch from your potatoes. Drain your potatoes, make sure you get rid of all the moisture. So you might have to just flash them in the oven quickly to get rid of the moisture, and then get them coated in the duck fat and do your roast. Is the water salted? You want to salt your water. Okay, now gently, because you're going to want to burn yourself. Get your potatoes in the water. You can just do them like that, because this is not my kitchen and I can make a mess. So we're going to parboil them for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just slightly soft but still firm in the center. Now we're just going to strain them. Then you want to get rid of as much moisture as possible. Moisture is your enemy. You want a crispy surface, and moisture is not going to give you that. Let's get it back in the pan and then just take them around, and at the same time, without me burning the cloth, you are creating those fluffy edges as well. Here we've got some beautiful free-range duck fat. We don't even need to spoon it. Then we're going to get this in the oven and get it smoldering, and then we're going to add the potatoes. So the potatoes aren't sitting in cold fat until it warms up, because you don't want that. You're going to get a horrible, like, fatty layer on your potatoes. You obviously want to be very careful when you're doing this, as that fat is hot as heap. We're going into the oven at 200 with convection, or 220 with static heat, and they're for about 25 minutes. They're looking great. We're going to add the garlic, the thyme, and we're going to just turn the potatoes over and get them crispy on the other side as well. I'm going to use fine salt for this application, because we don't want pockets of salt. Like a molten salt will give you like areas of saltiness, where we want to just get a good saltiness throughout the dish. If you can't find thyme, I wouldn't waste the time in using anything else. So that's going back in the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes until they're really golden brown. How'd you like my tatties? Duck fat is perfect for another dish. So keep it, let it cool down, put it in a jar, and then refrigerate it. And you'll have this beautiful flavor of the potatoes, the thyme, and the garlic. And you can enhance whatever dish you're going to use it for. Or like Yorkshire puddings. Good. Let me know in the comments what you're going to be serving with your duck fat potatoes.